Okay, as you know, there are three main classes of rocks. So you have igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks, and then sedimentary rocks. So what are the main kinds of rocks that are found in Missouri? So from the igneous type of rocks, there is in the St. Francis Mountain region a lot of ash flow tuff. And so that is ash that has fallen down and then cemented together in the form of tuff. Okay, there is also a lot of evidence of lava flows in, again, the St. Francis Mountain region. And so that would be rhyolite that you would find there. There is some evidence of rocks that form deeper inside the earth. So there is some granite also located in the St. Francis Mountain region. And then there is also some basalt. As far as metamorphic rocks are concerned, there is some marble and there is some quartzite. So if you recall, marble comes from limestone. And so what happened was that there was some limestone that came in contact with very, very hot rocks and it metamorphosized into marble. And then quartzite comes from sandstone, and same process metamorphosized that sandstone and turned it into quartzite. So a lot of these rocks, like the granite and the marble and the quartzite, are mined in Missouri and they are used as decorative stone. As far as sedimentary rocks are concerned, there are a lot of conglomerates found in Missouri, a lot of sandstone, a lot of shale, but most of the sedimentary rocks that we find here in Missouri is going to be limestone. And then if you recall, dolostone is what happens to limestone when magnesium replaces some of the calcium in calcium carbonate, and then it turns limestone into dolostone. And then there's a lot of clay here in Missouri, and then lots and lots of chert. And we think that the chert that is found here in Missouri is not made from the shells of microscopic organisms that got cemented together, but instead what we think is that as a river which had silica in it emptied into the ocean, then that change of conditions made the silica drop out, and then that formed the chert nodules that we see around here. Okay, let's talk about what are the mineral and rock resources of Missouri. So we mine a lot of barite here, and so barite is a very dense mineral, and it is used in drilling mud. So it is put into wells in order to help seal them. We mine a lot of coal here in Missouri, although our coal is not very good. Our coal has a very high sulfur content, so when it burns, it gives off a lot of sulfur dioxide. So actually we tend to get, at least in southwestern Missouri, we tend to get our coal from Wyoming. There is also magnetite here in Missouri, and that is a source of iron. Galena is a source of lead, and then sphalerite is a source of zinc. So all of these are things that we mine. All right, let's take a break, and when we come back, we'll talk about the geological regions of Missouri.